I just want to let you know I made another picture for you so you can learn how to color on your own using various different color combinations. So I did this beautiful owl here from the Secret Garden coloring book. This is by Johanna Basford and it's available on Amazon. And it's a really popular book. It's like one of the most popular ones, actually. Secret Garden and Magical Jungle and Enchanted Forest. She does a lot of really great books. So this is a picture from that. And what I did is I have all the color combinations that I used to create this look, and if this one here is a little bit more advanced because it's got a lot of different shading in here. You see all the shading in here, so you can really learn a lot of really neat techniques with this one here. And if you watch my color combination videos, it shows how I blend these. But here's how it works here too. So this is how you're going to get it with the list of my colors that I used, and you're going to get a little chart like this that says, okay, color combination 2. Like for example, let's say I had this color combination right here. Okay, and I would say, okay, color combo 1, you would put color combo 1 right in this little area, wherever it says number 1, etc. And you just follow the color this worksheet with my list of color combinations. And in this one here, it has probably, I don't know, 11 different, sorry about the way I gotta move my paper, but, it's got 11 different color combinations that you can use to add to your collection. And like I say, it's a little bit more advanced, so instead of just 2 colors, a lot of them have 3 colors, some have 4, some have 5 color combinations. So you could try your layering techniques, and I hope you like it, and follow me, and please like and subscribe, and I hope you really enjoy this. Post your completed work on Facebook, okay? Thanks, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.